So it is my honor and privilege to work with an exceptional member in the Municipal Utilities and Engineering Department and present Brandon Jones.
My name is Brandon Jones. I work for the City of Redlands at the wastewater treatment plant as a grade 2 wastewater operator. On a daily basis, I'll start whatever my major duty is, regulatory compliance samples, biosolids back there making the sludge into like compost, or the rounds where we take numbers from meters, readings, levels, and input them into a program we have on the computer. And after we do our main duties, then the other is like housekeeping, checking probes, DO probes, like I said, keep everything nice and clean, and can't do nothing about the smell, but we can make it look clean. Then after that, make sure there's no trash, see if I can stop and ask maintenance, do they need help with anything, possibly collections, the lab girls up in the top if they need help picking heavy stuff up or something I can do to make their job a little easier, checking on the whole plan and making sure everybody's, has the necessary help that they need to get their job done. It's really like a little family up here. I love the guys that train me up. Well, us as wastewater operators, our main job is to protect downstream users and aquatic life. So when the nasty water comes in here, it's our job to make sure when we discharge it back in to the aquifers or send it out to where Edison and other people use it for their sprinklers and the grasses and all that in the warehouse area. It's to make sure nobody gets hurt. We want to make sure it's as clean as possible of all bacteria and pathogens. My goal is to learn something new every single day. So if I could go to maintenance, you guys need a hand with something, or can I watch and see what you guys do? Collections, is there something I can do for you guys? Lab, is there something up there I can do or learn, or can you show me? I just want to have the greatest handle on this plant, and like I said, possibly one day even run it. Like we come together as a team and make sure parts are handled so it all comes together. Teamwork makes the dream work.